back in the States. We're at Yuma. First of all, the roads are like silk. It's so nice not having bumpy roads. And second of all, what's the first thing we wanted? Yes, Burger King. We were craving Burger King. It's not healthy, but you gotta treat yourself once in a while. Did you enjoy your burger, dear?
Yeah.
Jake wanted out. He has to check out the road for a while. He's sniffing Dad's fries. It's really hot.
Yeah, it is.
Man, we want 70 degrees back.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be in the 80s in Phoenix. Oh, it's going to be so hot for us. We're not used to that. We're in the Phoenix traffic, and this is the light traffic. Rat race that we left. We're so glad to be out of it. Don't miss this at all, do you, honey? Off to the next highway. This is 2 in the afternoon. Can you imagine rush hour? It's going like 5 miles an hour when we hit rush hour. We got the stadium over here. I don't know if you can see it. And there's the big stadium. I remember when they built that. The Cardinal Stadium. Here's Lake Pleasant. We used to camp here all the time. Stay here tonight, relax, kind of recharge before we start heading up to Colorado. We used to come here several years ago and loved it. As you can see, the sunsets are beautiful here. Mark's actually taking a nap. He's had a lot of to-do stuff with the camper and catching up with... We got a thorn in our tire, so we had to go to Discount Tire and get that fixed. But everything's fixed. We're good to go. Ready to start heading up north some more. Just wanted you to enjoy this beautiful sunset here. Very nice.
All right, so we're heading towards Flagstaff and heading out of the warmer climb, heading back to Colorado. Hang out there for a little while. See how much snow piled up. We'll be checking out the downhill kayak race at Monarch in a couple of weeks. Looking forward to that. And it was good seeing our friends and family in Phoenix, but it's good to be on the road again. We were there for 4 nights? That's probably not quite the longest we've sat anywhere, but long enough. So
yeah, we usually don't sit too long, but not very often.
So we're on the road again.
Up to the Great White North.
Yeah, heading to the Great White North. There's Mount Humphreys right there, tallest peak in Arizona.
It's got snow on it for sure.
Lots this year.
And the traffic was really bad coming up to 17. I was surprised. It's in the middle of the day on a weekday. We got the red rocky plateaus with the beautiful blue mountains behind it. It looks gorgeous. Getting back to good old Colorado. It's kind of strange being in different states and different countries. It's a whole different personality each time.
We're at Gustavo's in Cortez, Colorado. I think we've been coming here for 4 years or so. I think we first started coming. I don't know, he must have just opened, but anyway, here we are again.
Very good food.
Good food, yeah. Yeah, after 4 weeks or 8 weeks in Mexico, still tastes really good. Thank you.
Okay. So, we came to our favorite place here, and we are like freezing because we're still in our shorts.
Yeah.
Here's our favorite place, Gustavo's. And then there's a whole article I'm going to read on him. He came here and worked hard and got his citizenship and his restaurant. And now he's married and expecting a baby. So he's like the American success story. Okay, so it's been a long day of driving. We usually don't drive that much, but there's nowhere to stop in the reservation. And so we are going to do a Walmart overnight.
Yeah.
Just so we can have a place to stay tonight, and then we'll head out tomorrow. It's been a long day. We're both ready for a good night's rest. This Walmart is supposed to be pretty quiet. Once in a while when we're going cross country, we'll do that. Works out fine.
Drive 45 miles.
And that's about it.
Bye.
Look at that old sign. It's flashing. The cork and bottle. There, you can see it now. Huh. It's kind of a neat 50s sign. A little 50s liquor store.